Someone here interested in embracing the fold of Islam. MashaAllah, we have Brother Hakeem Young wants to take the Shahada. And you know, it's always a special moment when someone embraces and joins the family of 1.5 billion people. Alright? So it's really simple. And you know, Islam is a very simple way. All you need to do to enter into it is to repeat the statement in Arabic after me, and we'll translate. And then this whole community will, on top of their lungs, say Allahu Akbar, which means God is great, professing the greatness of God for bringing you to this true path. You ready? Okay, so just repeat after me. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa Allah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. I bear witness that there is no God except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is the servant and messenger of Allah. Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Takbir! Allahu Akbar! Welcome to Islam. You're a Muslim now, and everyone that you see here are your brothers and sisters. We're your one big family, and we pray and hope that Allah gives you best of both worlds, gives you steadfastness, and keeps you on this path. MashaAllah. Welcome, man.